Now in this tutorial, let's see Eraser tool. Eraser tool soften or smooth entities in the model. So I will create a rectangle like this. I will create other segment here, 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 like this. If I want to use a eraser tool, I click on this and I have just to choose a line on my drawing, and it will be erasing. If I want to erase this part, I have just to click on the line like this. Here, if I want to erase this part, I have just to click here, here, here. So it is simple tool to use here. This, you have just to use your eraser tool and to click on a segment, and it will be every time the segment between two endpoints. I have one endpoint here, one endpoint here. If I click here, I will have just this part deleted, like this. I want to delete this part between these two endpoints here. And now, if you want, for another example, if you want to erase all the model here, all the entity, you have to do what? You have to select, to use your tool select, to select everything on your entity, like this. Everything is selected, and after you have to right click, and you have erase, and right click, erase, and you can erase all the shape. So here is to erase just one line after line, and with the tool select tool, you can select all the entity and to erase all the parts.